Okay. Children, in today's subject enrichment activity class, your topic is fun with homophones. So first of all, I would like to tell you what are homophones. You can see homo means same, and phones means sounds. So the words which have same sounds but different meaning are known as homophones. Okay. So here are the few examples, children. You can see C-S-E-A and C-S-E-E. So same sound but different meaning. How? C-S-E-A, this is a place which is surrounded by water. S-E is sea. But S-E-E-C, something which you see with your eyes. Okay. Now children, for example, there's a hole in a cloth, you know. And the second one is flour and flour. F-L-O-U-R, flour which we eat, and flour, rose. Now the next is children, hour and hour. It is hour means us, okay, and H-O-U-R, hour is in 1 hour, 2 hour. So we'll give you a chance to learn more and more words and their meaning. Okay. Now children, you can see here, this is T-L-E, tail, and T-I-L, tail. It means tail. Tail is a story, and T-A-I-L, animal's tail, cat, dog, you know it. Now children, here is a small quiz for all of you. Take a quiz if you are an expert. आपको एक quiz लेना है अगर आप expert हैं. Okay. So which homophone is the correct word to complete this sentence? First one is dash coming to my party. So the options are homophones option W-H-O-S-E, whose, and W-H-O-S is a whose. So whose is something which belongs to an object, and this whose belongs to a person. So the correct answer will be, I will going to write W-H-O-S, who's coming to my party. Now the next one is children, you can see all I want is a dash of cake. So here are homophones options P-I-E-C, peace, and P-E-A-C, peace. So same sound but different meaning. How? All I want is a dash of cake. So the right word is peace, P-I-C-E. Okay? Because peace is a piece of bread, piece of cake, but this peace means quiet and calmness. And the next example is, do you dash if you are going or not? So what is the right homophone I should write here? K-N-O-W, no, and N-O means no. K-N-O-W means which I know something, जो चीज मुझे पता है. So do you know if you are going or not? So it means the right homophone will I will going to put here K-N-O-W, no. Okay. Start. So children, now here's a little game of homophones, make sentences like, and even I have prepared this. You can also prepare, and you can share a video in your classes by watching this how ma'am is doing. First one is pair and pair. So P-A-I-R and P-A-R. So like this, I saw a pair of pear on the tree. Okay. Now the next one is children. Homophones is mate, M-A-D, mate, and M-A-I-D, mate. Mate which you made something, जो चीज बनाई जाती है, and M-A-I-D, lady which comes to your house for work. So for the first time, the mate made a cake. Next one is children. Homophones example is here and here. Same sound but different meaning. So come here to hear what I say. Now children, next is 8 and 8. 8 means which you ate something, and E-I-G-H-T, 8 is a number. I ate 8 pieces. Now the next is children, 1 and 1. 1 means when you win the game, and 1 is also a number. So only one boy won the prize. So these are the few examples, and these are the few homophones make sentences. So like this, you can also prepare it. You can also present and share your videos in the group. I hope you liked it, children, and I hope you